Relax. Good, relax. Keep relaxed body, yes, breathe in, out, inhale, exhale. Good. Nice. Good. Nice. Light रखें. Relax your body. Good. Good. Very good. Relax. Very good. Relax.
Hi, my name is Atul Rai. I'm coming to Waseem for over a year now, and it's been very long and successful journey so far. I was suffering from ankylosing spondylitis for many years. Since I started coming to Waseem and the techniques he used on me, there is a visible change in my posture and my fitness. So I'm absolutely delighted that I came in contact with Waseem, and therefore I'm getting a lot of benefits and I'm continuing this session maybe for a long time now because it is helping me on a day-to-day basis. Thank you.